So what do you guys think happened? If he wants to conquer all of Egypt, what would he need? You're right, military, right? But what type of military? Sophia?
Like a really strong one, and also he needs to like hire a lot of like strong people to have like a really big military.
A big military. Yes, good. Yeah, he would need a strong military, a big military in order to accomplish this. Who's going to pay for this? Him? Do you think the king wants to pay for this? Veda, who do you think is going to pay for this?
In that area.
But that's not fair. Does the king care?
No.
No? So, Ko, what are those called when people in that area have to pay for all of these changes and more people being hired? What is that called?
They use taxes.
Yeah, they're going to collect taxes. And who does the money come from again, Scarlett?
The money comes from the citizens.
The citizens. Good.
Probably increased the taxes to the citizens so he could pay the army more to threaten and to get more people to come.
Yeah, good. You're exactly right. Yep. So the king wasn't going to pay for it, right? He took taxes from the people. They were already being taxed, though. So that means what? Esmita?
The taxes increased.
Yeah, the taxes increased. Exactly. So another thing, can the king keep control of all of Egypt if he's just one person? What do you guys think?
No.
Yes or no? Go ahead.
No.
No, okay. What do you think he would need to do then so that he can keep control of the whole area, even though he's just one person, besides military? What do you think he would need to do, Sophia?
Well, for the religion, he hired people called priests that like basically control the religion in specific areas.
Okay, I think you're thinking a little more of Sumer, right? Because we haven't really gotten into that too much for Egypt yet, but we will a little more with what happened in that area. But what do you guys think would need to happen, Scarlett?
I would think that the king would create, not create, but hire governors and governments to help. Okay, the king's in charge of us, and we're gonna do what he says.
Good. Yeah.
They can tell the word.
She's exactly right. That's exactly what they did. They began to have governors kind of help them with control over the area. I want you guys to think about something. Knowing what we know about Sumer and kind of what started to happen from this point, what can you predict will happen to Egypt or the people in Egypt? Truman?
Freedom might decrease again.
Okay, so even less freedom. Okay, Ko?
Maybe they separate to the other parts of Africa or Egypt.
Okay,
Spread around.
so maybe they want to spread into more parts. Okay, that's a good thought. Esmita, what do you think?
Maybe they want to conquer more land.
Okay, conquering more land, kind of like what Ko was saying. Any other ideas as far as the king specifically? Do you have any ideas of where he might be headed? Rishvik?
Try to control
More of Egypt.
Okay, yeah, good. To try to control even more power. That's a good thought. That's what we saw happen in Sumer, so it's a high possibility that that's what we might see happen in Egypt. Christian?
Maybe he wants to conquer all of Africa.
Well, we'll have to see next history class.